Hello everyone, I hope you are great. Hey friends, today we are going to talking about mathematics. I'm grade 11 and I reviewed the English mathematics, and today have a mathematics and have an introduction to MCR3U. MCR3U is the high mathematics and difficult mathematics 11 grade 11 for um, mm, college and university look like, but because it's so hard. And let's go and start it. Here have a welcome to MCR3U, and here have a my name teacher. Here have a the name teacher, and Mr. Reza. He is my teacher. He's so good person and he's so interesting man, and he's helped me understand mathematics and discourse. And now we will be learning mathematics together and make discourse a fun experience. There is an important type of the would like to point out for your first. Similar to any other school, mathematics high depends on contractions on learning the knowledge and practice what you have learned as much as you can. Always compare math to a sport. As much as learn about any sport rule or regulations without practicing it, we won't grow. And here have the first. You should tell about yourself, and you can send your teacher. You writing your Gmail, and you can send, and you can check here. Tell yourself about yourself and everything. And this one is so good and so help understand teacher yourself about yourself. And here online learning, if this is your first time taking the online course, do not be nervous. I am always available if you have any question. Here say if you have any question, you can send your teacher any question about the mathematics, exactly mathematics, and not have a nervous about course. And if you have a question, you can send the Gmail, and or you can make the Google Meet or Google and send the Gmail, and Mr. Reza, can you come my Google Meet, and I have some question. And the next one, the purpose of this course has been designing to improve mathematics and this I can say this is going to be your first university. First time I say this and told you, this one is so level is very difficult, and look for university. It's a university level mathematics course, and you may have taken a math course in the past and purpose forgot some of the mathematics. Do not worry. Say don't worry. It's forget everything. Just carefully and patient and study more and make the practice and make the question. And the next one, the organization of the course. This course say most of the lesson have a test. Test is have a homework. Is all of them lesson have a homework and help you understand mathematics. Have some question you should writing and send your Gmail your teacher, and writing the homework, have a text, have a worksheet, you should write it, because if you don't write it, you don't understand the lesson, and the future have a problem. And the next one have a, you must complete the lesson test. You should complete and review lesson text, because help you understand and help you find a good knowledge for assignment. And because when it's writing the homework, help your knowledge, your assignment, your test, everything is help for everything. And the next one have an assignment. What is an assignment? Assignment, the before the test, give the one assignment, teacher send you assignment, he say or she say you should writing this assignment. If you writing the good, you take the good knowledge and help your test, and you can give the good knowledge for test. If you level your test have a not good, but assignment help you the good, give the good knowledge. And here say you many need the set up a video, call video me, and you can call video and start the assignment. You can type in your teacher any question you can ask, and you will usually have 2 weeks. This assignment when your teacher give you have a 2 weeks time. You should before the 2 weeks send the assignment. If you don't send it, you can give the mark your assignment and have a problem. And if your test is not good, you don't give the good knowledge, because it's not have an assignment and not good take the good knowledge your test. And here have an online course, please visit it. We can visit. Is here say the time the class and what is your teacher, who is your teacher, what is the grade, and when you started, when you finish it. And here all of them say and about information. Here you have an introduction. All of them lesson have a 28 hours. It say time and total 110 hours. And here say summary, and everything is writing here. And that's one is writing the everything here. For example, 70 of the grade, how you can better your assignment, how much you take the knowledge, and everything here writing and help you understand the course. And the next one is good luck. If you have any question, you can send my Gmail. My Gmail is arianmoradiparto@gmail.com. This is on my bio Gmail. And if you have any question, another question, you can send my Instagram, English Arian Canada, and or Arkana Education. And have a good one. I hopefully video. If you like, you can save and share. And take care. Bye.